And these thoughtless, arrogant words by the Congress First family have become the big political flashpoint of the day. They've handed the BJP, as you can see, a ready issue on a platter, and the Prime Minister himself has taken it up while campaigning in Delhi's Dwarka area today. Well, after President Draupadi Murmu's speech in Parliament, these comments have lit up a bitter war and a crossfire between the government and the opposition. Take a look.
माननीय सदस्य संसद की इस बैठक को संबोधित करते हुए मुझे हार्दिक प्रसन्नता हो रही।
The budget session kicks off with a showdown. Former Congress President Sonia Gandhi's reaction to President Draupadi Murmu's address to Parliament has triggered a controversy.
Boring. No comment.
No, the poor lady, the President was getting very tired by the end.
Repeating the same thing again and again.
No, she could hardly speak, poor thing.
While condemning these remarks, Rashtrapati Bhavan stated that the comments hurt the dignity of the office, calling them unacceptable. The BJP termed Sonia Gandhi's remarks elitist, anti-poor and anti-tribal.
कांग्रेस नेता श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी और विपक्ष के कुछ नेताओं ने जो टिप्पणी की है, मैं उसका घोर निंदा करता हूं। आज जो भाषण दिया है और देश को संबोधन किया है संसद के माध्यम से, तो इस तरह से बोरिंग कहना, कमजोर कहना, थकी हुई महिला कहना, ये कोई शोभा देती है क्या किसी नेता को?
Amid massive uproar, Congress defended Sonia Gandhi.
Please, ma'am.
My mother is a 78-year-old lady. She simply said that the President must have been tired reading such a long speech. Poor thing. I don't think she fully respects, in fact, she has the utmost respect for her. And I think it's very unfortunate that this kind of thing is twisted by the media.
Several opposition MPs criticized the President's speech, claiming it had nothing new to offer.
बेचारी का तो कोई दोस्त नहीं, राष्ट्रपति हैं, वो तो स्टाम्प है और किसी का लव लेटर पढ़ना है उनको, तो राष्ट्रपति से आप क्या उम्मीद करिएगा? बस पोथी पर पंडित हो जगमुआन कोई वाली कहानी है।
It is really funny. Whatever, there is no. You just compare the 2024 speech and 2025 speech, or are equal. I am really frustrated with this speech.
The BJP-led NDA alliance went all guns blazing against the opposition for their remarks on President Murmu.
संवैधानिक सर्वोच्च पद पर बैठे हमारे आदिवासी महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी का अपमान करते हैं, वो संविधान का भी अपमान करते हैं। ये संविधान का सीधा अपमान है।
I was wondering whether this is a political party in a democracy or this is a group of elitist people, entitled and arrogant. I think they've lost it completely. Frankly, I did not expect it from Sonia ji.
हम जब राष्ट्र के विकास और उपलब्धियों की चर्चा करते हैं,
Setting the stage for the budget session of Parliament, President Draupadi Murmu underscored the government's resolve to eliminate policy paralysis while pushing key reforms like Waqf board regulations and One Nation, One Election initiative. With Piyush Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.